Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make pistachio cream. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place the pistachios. I soak the pistachios in water for 12 hours and peel them. I'm gonna blend. Add corn oil little by little. And set aside. I'm gonna place white chocolate, microwave for 1 minute at 900 watts. And 10 more seconds. I'm gonna add to the pistachio paste and stir until to become a cream. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!